In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis, but more precisely, we will see différents and différentes. Différents, différentes. So the main question is, what are les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis? We use the indefinite pronouns and determiners when we don't want to be too precise. And this is the key thing. These déterminants, pronoms indéfinis, are used when we don't want to be too precise. And we would rather give a more general word to speak about a person, a place, or a thing. So it will be possible to use them for a person, a place, or a thing. So this lesson is about différents, différentes. And they mean various, several. So it is used to express the notion of several and express variety. It is used as a plural adjective, so it means that it will be connected to a noun, and by that function it means that it will be whether masculine if the noun is masculine or feminine if the noun is feminine. So we'll see some examples. Il y a différentes façons de prouver son amour. Il y a différentes façons de prouver son amour. So in that case, you can see that différente is connected to façon. Façon is a feminine noun. It's plural, as we said. So it means that différente will be the feminine plural form. Je voudrais habiter dans différents quartiers de cette ville. Je voudrais habiter dans différents quartiers de cette ville. In that situation, différent is connected to quartier. Quartier is a masculine noun. It's the plural form, as we said, so we should take the masculine plural adjective here, différent. So let's see two more. Nous avons différentes manières de voir le monde. Nous avons différentes manières de voir le monde. So in that situation, you can see that manière is feminine plural, so we will use différentes, feminine plural form of the adjective. Je vais vous donner différents dossiers. Choisissez celui que vous voulez. Je vais vous donner différents dossiers. Choisissez celui que vous voulez. So here, as you can see, dossier, masculine noun, it's plural, so we go for différents, the masculine plural form.